What do you think? Should we add more cinnamon to the pancake batter?
Cinnamon sounds great, but can we also try a pinch of nutmeg this time?
I like your adventurous spirit in the kitchen.
Cooking with you makes everything feel like an experiment.
How's the fruit salad coming along?
I just finished chopping the apples. Now I'm adding the strawberries.
Make sure to toss it gently so the fruits don't get mushy.
Got it. I'll use the wooden spoon instead of the metal one.
Do you remember the first time we made pancakes together?
I do. I accidentally used salt instead of sugar, and we pretended they were gourmet.
That was hilarious, but you still ate them with a smile.
I didn't want to hurt your feelings. Plus, they weren't that bad.
Let's crack the eggs carefully this time. No shell surprises.
I've been practicing. Watch this perfect crack.
Impressive technique, chef.
Thanks, sous chef.
That has a nice ring to it.
We should write it on a chalkboard and hang it in the kitchen.
Do you want to flip the pancakes?
I'd been waiting for this moment all morning.
Make sure the pan is hot enough before you try.
It's sizzling. I think it's ready for the flip.
Nice flip. That one almost hit the ceiling.
I'm aiming for height and drama.
Let's not turn breakfast into a circus act.
But a little flair makes it more fun.
What do you think about adding bananas to the batter?
Bananas would make it sweeter and softer. I'm in.
Grab the ripe ones from the counter.
These look perfect. Just spotted enough.
How's the orange juice tasting?
Fresh and tangy. Just the way I like it.
Did you squeeze them all by hand?
I used the juicer, but I added a little pulp for texture.
You're becoming quite the kitchen expert.
I learned from the best.
Let's set the table before everything gets cold.
I'll grab the plates and napkins.
Don't forget the forks. We need those for the eggs.
Already on it? I even warmed them a little.
Warmed forks? That's next level hospitality.
I saw it in a cooking show and wanted to try.
Do you think Mom would be proud of our breakfast?
She'd be amazed and maybe a little jealous.
We should save some pancakes for her.
I'll hide a few in the oven to keep them warm.
What's your favorite part of cooking with me?
I like how we laugh and make a mess together.
Mess is part of the magic, right?
Especially when it ends with delicious food.
Let's try making a pancake in the shape of a heart.
I'll pour the batter slowly and guide it with the spatula.
That looks more like a potato, but I love the effort.
It's a heart with personality.
Do you want to try making scrambled eggs next?
Sure, I'll whisk them until they're fluffy.
Add a splash of milk. It makes them creamier.
Done! And I sprinkled a little pepper too.
You're getting good at seasoning.
I've been watching your moves closely.
Let's toast to our cooking adventure.
Cheers with orange juice.
What should we cook next time Mom's out?
Maybe homemade pizza with crazy toppings.
I like that idea. We could even make the dough ourselves.
And shape it like a dinosaur.
A dinosaur pizza sounds legendary.
We'll need extra cheese for the spikes.
Let's call it Kitchen Chronicles.
Volume 1, Pancake Pandemonium.
How's the stove temperature for the eggs?
Medium heat, just like you taught me.
You're remembering all the little details.
Cooking is like a puzzle, and I love solving it.
Let's garnish the fruit salad with mint leaves.
I'll pick a few from the windowsill garden.
They smell so fresh, perfect touch.
Adds a pop of green and a burst of flavor.
Do you want to try plating the pancakes?
I'll stack them high and drizzle syrup like a waterfall.
That's a beautiful presentation.
I learned from watching food videos online.
Let's take a photo before we eat.
Good idea. We need to document our masterpiece.
Smile big, this is our proud moment.
Say syrup.
What's your favorite fruit in the salad?
I love the kiwi. It's tangy and fun to eat.
Kiwi adds a nice contrast to the sweetness.
And it looks cool with the green and black seeds.
Do you think we should add whipped cream?
Only if we make it ourselves.
Challenge accepted, I'll grab the heavy cream.
Let's whip it until it forms soft peaks.
Soft peaks achieved, look at that texture.
Perfect for topping the pancakes.
Let's sprinkle some powdered sugar too.
Snowy pancakes, coming right up.
Do you want to write a note for Mom?
Let's say, we missed you, but we cooked like champs.
She'll love that, especially with a photo.
We should print it and stick it on the fridge.
What's the secret to great scrambled eggs?
Patience and gentle stirring.
You've mastered the technique.
Thanks to your guidance and a few kitchen fails.
Let's clean up before we eat.
I'll wash the bowls while you wipe the counter.
Teamwork makes the kitchen sparkle.
And keeps Mom happy when she gets home.
Do you want to wear matching aprons next time?
Let's design our own with funny slogans.
Mine will say Pancake Prodigy.
And mine will say Breakfast Boss.
What's your favorite kitchen tool?
I love the whisk. It feels like magic.
Whisking is satisfying, especially when it froths.
It's like stirring up a storm.
Let's try making a smoothie after breakfast.
Banana, strawberry, and a splash of yogurt?
That sounds delicious and refreshing.
We'll blend it until it's creamy.
Do you think we should open a breakfast cafe?
Only if you're the head chef.
What's the most fun part of cooking today?
Flipping pancakes and making heart shapes.
I liked watching you take charge of the stove.
It felt good to lead the way.
Let's make a pancake tower next time.
With layers of fruit and whipped cream.
We'll need toothpicks to hold it together.
And a cherry on top.
Do you want to try making boiled eggs next?
I'll time them perfectly for soft centers.
Soft-boiled eggs are tricky, but you've got this.
I'll use the timer and keep an eye on the pot.
Let's add a sprinkle of salt and pepper.
And maybe a dash of paprika for color.
That sounds gourmet.
We're leveling up our breakfast game.
Do you think we should make breakfast in bed for Mom?
She'd love that surprise.
We'll need a tray and a flower in a vase.
And a handwritten menu.
Let's practice our plating skills.
Presentation is half the experience.
I'll arrange the fruit in a rainbow pattern.
And drizzle honey over the yogurt.
What's your dream breakfast?
Chocolate chip pancakes with caramel drizzle.
We'll make that next weekend.
And add a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Do you want to learn how to make omelets?
I'd love to, especially the folding part.
We'll start with cheese and herbs.
Then move on to fancy fillings.
Let's keep cooking together every weekend.
It's our special tradition now.
I wouldn't trade it for anything.
Me neither.